here's proof you should just let it all out, at least when it comes to sneezing. A British medical journal report says a 34-year-old man ripped a hole in his throat by holding in a powerful sneeze. The arrows on this x-ray, for example, show the damage there. He didn't need any surgery, but he had to stay in the hospital for a couple of weeks. And sneezes apparently can produce pressurized air that explodes at speeds up to 100 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So on that note, let it all out.
Yep.
Yeah.